The Frozen Ark Project. Saving DNA for the future. The Frozen Ark Project is a global initiative dedicated to preserving the genetic material of endangered and extinct species before they disappear forever. By cryogenically storing DNA, cells, and reproductive tissues, scientists hope to maintain a genetic backup of Earth's biodiversity. Globe. Why does the Frozen Ark matter? 1. Over 1 million species face extinction due to habitat loss, climate change, and human activity. 2. Once a species is gone, its unique genetic code is lost forever, unless preserved. 3. The Frozen Ark acts as an insurance policy, allowing future de-extinction or assisted breeding efforts. Think of it like a Noah's Ark, but with freezers instead of boats. Microscope. How it works. The project collects and stores checkmark DNA, extracted from blood, skin, or feathers. Checkmark living cells, fibroblasts, stem cells. Checkmark reproductive cells, sperm, eggs, embryos. Checkmark tissue samples, for cloning or research. Storage method. 1. Samples are frozen in liquid nitrogen, 196 degrees Celsius, 321 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Some are stored in biobanks worldwide, UK, Norway, US, etc. Bar graph. Frozen Ark by the numbers. For comparison, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault stores 1 million plus plant seeds, but Frozen Ark focuses on animals. T-Rex. Could we bring back extinct species? The Frozen Ark doesn't just save data, it could enable de-extinction science. Small diamond cloning, like the Pyrenean ibex, briefly revived in 2003, small diamond gene editing, CRISPR to restore lost traits, small diamond assisted reproduction, using frozen sperm, eggs. Challenges. Crossmark. Not all species can be revived yet. Mammoths? Maybe. Dinosaurs? No. Crossmark. Habitat must still exist. No use bringing back a species with no home. Rocket. Future of the Frozen Ark. 1. Expanding collections, prioritizing critically endangered species. 2. Linking with cryobanks, zoos, labs, and seed vaults. 3. Supporting conservation, helping living species recover. Would you donate DNA from an endangered animal? Paw. Visual idea. A globe with cryo tanks storing DNA from tigers, rhinos, and coral reefs. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Creative Hub Pro for more updates on zoology.